All right, hey guys, we're back. Here we are with the CLK. The S4 unfortunately went underwater during Hurricane Ida. It's currently a Eurotech. They're basically trying to check if we can bring it back to life. They got it started, they got water out of the engine. It drove 10 miles. We're trying to make sure that none of the really important modules failed and got soaked and just can't bring it back. Is it going to be an insurance job? I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to see how pricey this gets and if we call up insurance for anything. But in the meantime, we're going to focus here on the CLK. We're going to replace every single rubber seal that's placed on this car. Anything with the transmission, anything with the engine, it's all leaking. Coolant, oil, tears, you name it. Everything is leaking out of this car, and I'm okay with that. But I want the car to be in peak performance, peak condition. We're going to replace everything. The engine mounts, the trans mounts. We're going to put the new differential in the back. Get some LED fog lights up there in the front. Reupholster the whole interior inside and out. We're looking at about $10,000 worth of work. But you know what? I don't care because I like this car a lot. Doesn't matter. Alex and I next spring, hopefully, everything goes well, we're going to take this across the country, possibly end up in a prison in Juarez, Mexico. I'm not sure. We're going to bring some other friends with us. My whole plan is to have an early 2000s gumball rally across the country and just have a good time. You don't need a supercar to drive across the country. I personally think that's more fun than having an anxiety attack of chipping up your Murcielago front bumper. Well, we're going to buy boxes, make them not shitty, and then drive them across the country. How about that? So stay tuned. Hopefully everything goes to plan. We're going to go through a lot of work at KMD Tuning. We're going to keep updates of what's getting replaced. Cars going to be up in the air. Everything's going to get completely redone, and we'll keep everybody updated on it. Generically, like, subscribe if you want, if you feel like it. But keep up with us because we're going to definitely be a little bit different. See you guys later.